All right, in this video, I will talk about adding shaders to the mesh. What I'm going to do is I'll select the geometry and go to this red circle material tab and click on new. What that does is it adds a color to the geometry. We can't see this right now because currently we are in solid view. If I click on the next circle, which is the material preview, we can see the colors that are getting applied. So depending on your character, you could probably choose a skin color that you would want for your character. I'll probably just go with purples for now. What I'm going to do next is I'll add a new material over here. All right. Maybe I could even double click here and rename this material as skin, right? I'm going to click on material 2. I'm going to go to edit mode. And what I could do is probably select the eyes first. So I'm going to hover my pointer on top of the sphere, press L on the keyboard so that it selects the active object. I can do the same for that. And now I select material 2 and hit assign. So within the material properties, we have a skin and material 2, which is eyes in this case. So I'm just going to rename that. I'm going to change that color to black. And within the properties of the shader, the roughness right now is set to 0.5. That's why we can see a little bit of reflection, but it's soft. If I move the roughness all the way to 0, it turns into an extremely glossy surface. If I turn it all the way to 1, it turns into a matte object. So that's how you can control some surface properties. So I'm going to turn the roughness all the way to 0 for eyes. What I can do next is just keep coloring some more of these faces. I can press L on the keyboard to select the torso region. Maybe I can even select these, right? Click on that plus icon, add a new shader, and assign it to the current selection, right? So I go back to the object mode by pressing tab, and maybe I can add some color of choice, right? I can go into edit mode, go to wireframe mode, and by selecting certain faces, right, I can even make sure that I am in front view so that I select all the faces in the wireframe mode and continue to apply that shader as cloth, right? I could do the same thing over here and there, right? Deselecting the extra ones by holding down Control as I click drag, right? Control click drag to deselect some of these. And I'm going to assign that color. I can even change this to cloth, right? So that's how we can add color and apply some material control by playing with the roughness.